Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions and simplest or lowest form of fraction. So let's start from equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are those fractions which represent same part of a whole. It represents same part from the whole part. Okay, that means from total part. Look at this picture. First one represent 1 by 2 of the fraction, that is half of the fraction. Second one represent 2 by 4th of the fraction. Okay, that is 2/4. Here total number of parts are 4 part and it represent 2 part from that fraction. Okay. Now move to third one. It represent 3 by 6 of the fraction and last one represent 4 by 8 of the fractions. In the above all the images, okay, all are different but equivalent fraction as they represent same. Okay, you can see that in all the pictures it is half of the circle. Okay, in all the pictures it is half of the circle, so you can say that all the fractions are equivalent fraction as they are representing same part from the whole part. Okay, that is half of the whole circle. Now move to finding equivalent fraction. How to find equivalent fraction? Here we'll discuss. First, we'll check by multiplying same number. Okay. If we multiply the numerator and denominator of any fraction with same number, then we will get the equivalent fraction. Okay. There could be more than one equivalent fraction for one fraction. We can find number of equivalent fraction for a single fraction. Look at here. Here is an example. Find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2, that is half. Here's the solution. Here we have to multiply. Okay, here I have multiplied 2 in numerator and denominator both. Okay, to get the next equivalent fraction. So 1 2 it is 2 and 2 2 it is 4. So new equivalent fraction is 2 by 4. Clear? Next again we have to multiply. Here again I have multiplied 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So the new equivalent fraction is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s it is 8. Okay, so our new equivalent fraction is 4 by 8. Again I have multiplied 2 in numerator, so it is 4 2s are 8, and I have multiplied 2 in the denominator also, it is 8 2s are 16. So the new equivalent fraction is 8 by 16. So you can say that here there are three equivalent fractions for 1 by 2, that is 2 by 4, 4 by 8 and 8 by 16. All these are the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Okay, we can get the equivalent fraction just multiplying same number. Okay, just by multiplying same number on numerator and denominator. Now move to next case, that is here we will get the equivalent fraction by dividing same number. If we divide the numerator and denominator of any fraction with same number, then we will get the equivalent fractions. Okay, here is an example. Find the equivalent fraction of 18 by 27 with denominator 9. So here we have to convert this fraction, that is 18 by 27 having denominator 9. So what to do? Come to the solution. To get the denominator 9, here it is 27, so we have to divide that number by 3. Okay, we have to divide that number by 3 to get the denominator 9. As 9 3 is 27, so we have to divide 3 to get the number 9. So here in this way, as you are dividing 3 in the denominator, so we have to divide 3 in the numerator also. So here it is 9, 27 by 3 it is 9. If we divide 18 by 3, we get 6 here. So the new fraction is, that is 6 by 9 is the equivalent fraction of 18 by 27. Okay, so in this way you get the equivalent fraction. Here the equivalent fraction is 6 by 9. Now come to simplest or lowest form of fractions. If the numerator and denominator do not have any other common factor than 1, then it is said to be simplest or lowest form of that fractions. To find equivalent fractions, which is the simplest form, we have to find the HCF of numerator and denominator, then divide them both by HCF. Okay, first step we have to find the HCF of numerator and denominator. After that we have to divide both by the HCF. Okay, here is an example. Reduce the fraction 18 by 27 in the simplest form. Okay, we have to convert 18 by 27 to its simplest form. So first step is, first we have to find the HCF. Okay, here is the solution. So HCF of numerator and denominator, that is 18 and 27, is 9. Okay, if we find the HCF of these two numbers, we get the 9 as the HCF. So what to do? We have to divide both numerator and denominator by the HCF. So here it is 18 by 9 and 27 by 9. 18 by 9 it is 2 and 27 by 9 it is 3. So the new fraction is, that is the fraction in simplest form, is 2 by 3. Okay, so we can say that 2 by 3 is the lowest form or simplest form of 18 by 27. Thank you.